alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught it hit, alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught it hit. I just want pull up in coops. I just want more for loose. I just be dripping in cool. I just be tripping in news. Kick it with goons. I just be smoking the fumes. I just might fly to the moon. I just get high like balloons. I just be out making moves. I just be sipping that juice. I just be spending for loose. I just be dripping in juice. I just be wet like I'm pools. I just don't care about no rules. I'm just a far with a tool. I just be killing you news. All of my guns hit that blue. Fortnite I'm getting a loot. Dropping the top on my coupe. Coupe and it came with no roof. Yeah, I just give it my juice. Say I hit a lick, alhamdulillah. Oh, it's getting dead, alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah.
It is Sunday morning. We are out in Johnson Valley, but we got a bunch of pre-runners that we're going to be shooting today. We got a helicopter, and we got Terra Crew with us, so it's gonna be a sick day.
This is the Sequoia. We call it It. It's got a lot of work that we got to do to it, but we're gonna be dropping it off with Roy, so he can cage it out for my wife, and then we'll see what we can do with the suspension. This is more like just a family driver.
Yeah, I see you got like 30 seats back there.
Yeah, got the cool Lawrence system in here, you know, pops out the dashboard whenever you hit some hard shit. We're out here filming for one of Terra's videos. Why not film one of our own while we're at it? So we got our sponsor, HP Helicopters. Brad, we love you. Boom.
What's up, Morgan?
Hey, hello. I think we're just very run and gun, so we're gonna try to see what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna get a couple guys in the helicopter, and then the guys are gonna go on a run. They pre-ran right now, so they're familiar with what they're going through. They're gonna go through it. The helicopter's gonna be chasing them. You guys are gonna be getting some bangers, and then come back, and then I guess pre-ran Dan's gonna go. So it should be pretty good, man. I'm excited.
Nice thing is this thing's very safe. We're not in a hurry. Everything will be mellow today. We've got all the fuel. We've got everything we need. So whatever these guys want to do, man, we're gonna make it happen on our side. So I'm excited to work with you guys.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. democracy. Yeah, I got more records than the KGB. So, no funny business. You already are.